Are you stuck at preparing update on your iPhone while iOS updating iPhone? Many people seem stuck at preparing update and can't update their iPhones. Now, if you have the same problem, please follow only 3 handful processes. So without wasting time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Wi-Fi Assist. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Cellular, scroll down, Enable Wi-Fi Assist. Solution 2. Check your internet speed and stability. Please switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data and make sure to select the one with the best speed. Once you solve your internet connection, now just restart your device, or you can tap the Assistive Touch. Tap Device, tap More, tap Restart. Now restart your device. After this, if you find that you still have the same issues, open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap the icon, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, tap Manual, remove the current IP address. Now add a new IP server. Add 8.8.8.8. Also add the second IP address, 8.8.4.4. After these processes, please move on and try to check your problem. After following all the process, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have any issues, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.